Hi everyone, this is Amy here. I'm here today actually in the forest, sitting in the exercise. I'm at Crystal Falls right now. This hike is about 7 kilometers round trip, about 2-hour time. It's considered an easy hike. Today is kind of like overcast, so that's why I'm not high up in the mountains, even though if I am, there won't be any views. So just out here with my hiking buddy Laura. She's chatting with another hiker, and look at all the boulders right here. Kind of nice in the background, as you can see, is the rock, the green, and then we're back at Crystal Falls again. Kind of nice weather, waterfall right here, little miniature one. Nice to get outdoors, and I'll check in with you guys in a bit. I hope you guys are having a great day. Peace out.